Are you ready to unleash your social power? Mastering social confidence is the key to unparalleled success. When you possess social confidence, the world becomes your playground. You can effortlessly connect with others, build meaningful relationships, and excel in any social or professional setting. So, how can you become a master of social confidence? It all starts with self-belief. Importance of social confidence in personal and professional success. Social confidence is crucial for personal and professional success. It affects how we communicate, build relationships, and advance our careers. Confident people are better at expressing ideas and making meaningful connections, which is essential for teamwork. In the workplace, social confidence helps us become leaders, navigate office dynamics, and negotiate effectively. Having social confidence also leads to personal fulfillment and achievement in various aspects of life. Understanding social confidence. Social confidence is the ability to feel comfortable and authentic in social situations. It comes from having a positive self-image and a healthy sense of self-esteem. People who are socially confident are able to connect with others in a genuine way and build strong relationships. They are good at understanding social cues, expressing themselves confidently without being arrogant, and being open to vulnerability. Social confidence isn't about being outgoing, but rather about feeling at ease in different social situations, valuing your own opinions, and respecting the opinions of others. When people are socially confident, they often feel happier, have better communication skills, and enjoy more positive social and professional experiences. Developing a positive self-image. Developing a positive self-image is crucial for good mental health and personal growth. This process involves accepting yourself, understanding your strengths and weaknesses, and embracing your individuality. To achieve this, it's important to set achievable goals and celebrate any progress made, even if it's small. Surrounding yourself with positive influences and supportive people can also reinforce a positive self-image. Engaging in self-care practices, both physical and mental, can help you feel good about yourself. It's also important to challenge negative thoughts and practice self-compassion. Achieving a positive self-image takes time, self-reflection, and a commitment to building a healthy and supportive relationship with yourself. Overcoming fear of judgment. Overcoming the fear of being judged by others can be life-changing. It means you can be yourself and pursue your goals without worrying about what others think. Everyone sees the world differently, so it's important to remember that judgment is subjective. You can reduce the fear of negative feedback by being kind to yourself and acknowledging that nobody is perfect. To build resilience, you can set achievable goals and embrace your vulnerabilities. Surrounding yourself with supportive people who encourage personal growth can also boost your self-esteem. Ultimately, overcoming the fear of being judged frees you to be your true self and pursue your passions without feeling held back by others' opinions. Mindset shift from fear to opportunity. To shift from a fear-based mindset to an opportunity-based one, we need to change our perspective. This means looking at challenges as chances for growth and learning instead of being afraid of them. When we adopt an opportunity mindset, we are more open to creative problem-solving and innovative thinking. We understand that failures are not the end of the road, but a part of the journey towards success. This shift empowers us to approach uncertainties with curiosity and a determination to learn valuable lessons. When we see obstacles as opportunities, we can transform our fear into a catalyst for positive change. This helps us create a mindset that is geared towards continuous improvement and success. Learning from social experiences. We learn from social experiences throughout our lives, which helps us grow personally and develop better interpersonal skills. Positive encounters teach us effective communication and strengthen relationships, while challenges offer lessons in resilience and empathy. Reflecting on these interactions helps us become more self-aware, so we can identify communication patterns and improve the way we interact with others. Whether it's in our personal or professional lives, the ability to learn from diverse social experiences enhances our emotional intelligence and helps us build meaningful connections. This continuous learning process helps us become socially competent, empowering us to navigate various social dynamics with insight and effectiveness. Cultivating resilience in social settings. Developing resilience in social situations involves being able to handle challenges, setbacks, and conflicts effectively. You can start by staying positive and seeing difficulties as opportunities to learn and grow. It's also important to be adaptable and have a realistic view of social dynamics. Building a strong support system and maintaining meaningful connections help you stay emotionally strong. Good communication skills, active listening, and setting healthy boundaries are key as well. By being resilient, you can navigate social complexities, learn from experiences, and form deeper connections with others. Unleashing your social power and mastering confidence will open doors you've never imagined. Embrace who you are, communicate with conviction, and watch as your social confidence leads you to unparalleled success. Thank you very much for joining us. We've got plenty of inspiring content coming your way, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of go-getters.